Welcome back. Now to the story I promised earlier. The war of words between a section of Western Kenya leaders and Deputy President William Ruto's allies continues tonight. A group of Jubilee Party leaders have indicated that they're in the region shopping for a political ally and that there is no political debt that needs to be paid by Central Kenya. KTN's Willie Lusige now reports on the latest political intrigues in what is shaping up to be a formidable contest for the Western Kenya vote.
Citing what they call the need to revisit the 2022 agreement in the Jubilee Party, a group of political leaders from Central Kenya have asked Western Kenya to give them one person to work with in the run-up for the 2022 presidential race.
Sisi hatuna MOU na mtu ati lazima tutamsupport 2022. Kama walisikizana hiyo na Uhuru, hiyo ni hao.
Kuwa vice president is not a guarantee kwamba utakuwa president. Lakini Kenya imechoka. Hiyo statement imetoka hapa kwamba wende Sugoi, Burundi Kongoini, na Kenya ina kabila 47. Lazima Kenya ibadilike.
On their part, Western leaders present promised the electorate that they will work together in unity until 2022, promising to present to Kenyans a formidable presidential candidate. They say that they will only negotiate with President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Negotiations zimeanza. Mheshimiwa Msalia, Mheshimiwa Wedra, Mheshimiwa Eugene. Hatuwezi kuwaste time kunegotiate na namba mbili.
Tunatoa statement moja kali sana kuonyesha kwamba hakuna uadui, hakuna uhasama.
Tuunde urafiki na wengine. But until and unless we are united and speaking with one indivisible voice, we shall be unattractive to any potential partner.
Rattled by recent remarks on the referendum, leaders insisted that there will be a constitutional change to relook at the country's law on power structures.
Katiba tunabadilisha. Na kama William Samoei Ruto hapendi, atengeneze kikosi chake kije na no. Na sisi tutasema yes. 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 Yes.
Deputy President William Ruto has been on a charm offensive in the region and has voiced opposition to calls for constitutional change.
Unapinga nini na hata hujui swali la referendum litakuwa nini? Sasa wewe ndiye mjinga ama ni sisi? Si ni wewe? How can you answer a question which is not asked?
Politics dominated the 39th edition of Maragoli Cultural Festivals Wednesday.
Hii safari Borasi kuingia kwa hii safari na tufaulu. Kitu ya muhimu ni kujiandikisha kuwa mpiga kura.
This year's Maragoli Cultural Festival have gone down with no fracas, with the politicians putting across a united front. Willie Lusige, KTN News, Mbale, Maragoli.